Welcome back to Market Matters. In the past few episodes, we've understood how the stock market works, from IPOs to market participants and indices. But here's the real question. How do we actually buy or sell a stock? Well, that's exactly what we'll explore in this chapter. Your direct access point to the markets, the trading terminal. There are 3 ways you can place a trade in the stock market. You can call your broker directly. This is known as call and trade. You can use a web-based trading platform, or the most popular method, via a mobile trading app. Whichever method you choose, they all connect to one core system, the trading terminal. Think of it like a cockpit. It's where everything happens: placing orders, tracking live prices, viewing charts, checking your P&L, and managing funds.
Your trading account is highly sensitive. It holds all your financial and portfolio data. That's why there's a multi-layer login system in place. First, you'll enter your user ID and password. Then comes a second layer, a TOTP, time-based one-time password, which adds an extra layer of security. You can generate this using apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. Once logged in, you're officially in. And now it's time to explore.
The Market Watch is the first screen you'll see. It's basically your watch list, where you track stocks in real time. Let's say we want to buy 1 share of ITC and track the price of Infosys. Start by searching for ITC in the search bar. Select the correct one from the NSE or BSE list and add it to your Market Watch. You'll now see the last traded price, LTP, percent change, and other data for ITC, all updating live. The LTP shows the most recent trade price. The percentage change compares it to the previous day's close. And under Market Depth, you can see the stock's open, high, low, close, OHLC, and volume traded. Now, let's go ahead and buy 1 share of ITC. Hover over ITC in the Market Watch and click the Buy button, B. The buy order form pops up. Here's what you need to fill. Exchange, NSE or BSE. Order type. You can choose from limit, you fix the price you're willing to pay. Market, your order execute at the current price. Stop loss, SL, protects you from losses. SL market, similar but executes at market price once triggered. Quantity, set it to 1. Product type, CNC if you're buying for delivery, holding the stock. MIS for intraday trades, buy and sell on same day. Once done, click Submit. If your conditions match the market, your order will get executed. And just like that, you now own 1 share of ITC. Once your order is placed, head over to the order book. It shows every order you've placed with details like quantity, type, and price. You can even modify or cancel any pending orders from here. And when your order is filled, it moves to the trade book. This confirms that your trade has gone through. You'll even see a unique ID for every transaction. Think of the order book as your cart and the trade book as your invoice. Let's now track Infosys. Just like we did with ITC, search for INFY and add it to your Market Watch. Now you'll see live data for both ITC and Infosys in one place. Infosys might be trading at, say, 1,469 rupees 60 cents, and you'll also see if it's up or down compared to yesterday's close. You can watch the stock's real-time price movement throughout the day. Green usually means the stock is trading higher than the previous day's close. Red means lower. Now let's understand how trades happen with the help of Market Depth. Whenever you buy, someone is selling, and vice versa. The price at which someone is willing to sell is called the offer price. It's shown in red.
The price at which someone is ready to buy is the bid price, shown in blue. You'll see the top 5 bid and offer prices in the market depth window. For example, if the top offer price is $3,294.80 and only 2 shares are available at that price, that's the best deal for buyers. But if you want to buy 10 shares, you'll get 2 at $3,294.80, 4 at $3,294.85, and 4 at $3,295.0. And that's how prices move, based on how supply and demand match. Similarly, if you're selling, you'll look at the bid prices. The higher the bid, the better for sellers. And that's a wrap on how to use a trading terminal. From logging in securely to adding stocks to your market watch, placing orders, tracking trades, and understanding bid-ask prices. This is the foundation every trader needs to know. Trading platforms may change over time, but these core principles remain the same. Trading Terminal is your entry point to the stock market. Add stocks to your market watch to track them live. Use buy-sell order forms to place trades. Choose the right order type: market, limit, SL. Use CNC for delivery and MIS for intraday. Check your order book for pending orders and trade book for completed ones. Understand bid and offer prices in market depth to improve trading precision. Hit subscribe to learn more about market indicators, trading strategies, and investment insights in upcoming episodes of Market Matters.